Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Child. Today I am going to show you a language activity, movable alphabet. Okay, so when we can introduce this presentation, if the child is introduced to 4 vowels and 6 to 8 consonants, you can start giving this presentation. Before giving the presentation, take each one of the stamp and ask what is this sound. Okay, the main purpose of this presentation is to show the child how to form words. Okay, so initially we started with phonetic sounds and then we'll move on to words and then later to sentence. Now once the child is introduced to 4 vowels and 6 to 8 consonants, what you can do, you can always track. Okay, you can have a tracker, and in that you always make a note what are the letters has been introduced, and you should be ready with what are the type of words you are going to introduce to the child. Okay, suppose the child is not introduced to the per sound, you should not give that word which has per sound. And what type of words you should be ready, it should be phonetically proper. Okay, it should not be a sight word. So make sure that you are giving words such that those sounds are already introduced to the child, and also those words should be phonetically proper and there should not be any orthographic complication. When I say orthographic complication, is nothing but language. English language has many orthographic complications like sh, ch, th, like that. So ing, so you should not give like that. So suppose the child is introduced to a, e, o. Okay, then few consonants, like just I'm to name out f, then in, then I can make out man, a, in. So this doesn't have any type of orthographic complication and it is phonetically proper. Okay, so we saw the material description. Material description is very simple. If you find a box like this with many compartments, at least 26 compartments, it will be easy for you. But now I got with 24 compartments. Here the vowels are in 10 numbers. Okay, all the 5 vowels, each vowel has 10 stamps, and all other consonants only 5 in numbers. Even you can take the vowels, each vowel you can take 20 numbers, and each consonants you can take 10 numbers. Okay, it's up to you. But if you want if you want our team or myself to do it and give it to you, if you place the order, we will definitely make it to you. But we need time. Okay, if you have to place the order and we will make it and then we will give it to you. Okay, now we will move on to the presentation. Ask the child that shall I show you a new presentation, or you can say shall I show you movable alphabet box, or you can say shall we do some language activity. So like that you can give a an invitation to the presentation. And next what you can do, make sure the child is sitting on your left, show this material and also show the child where you are going to keep it. Make sure the material is always accessible to the child so that they will take it often and work. Okay, so now we'll move on to the presentation. Now you can say like, child, shall we listen to all the sounds in frog? Okay, I repeat, shall we listen to all the sounds in frog? Then you ask, what do you hear as first sound in frog? Okay, you emphasize on that first sound, frog. Okay, then the child, if the child is very familiar with the sounds, the child will listen to the sound and say okay. So if the child needs help, you can also take it. Then ask the child, shall we take out from the box? Okay, if the child is able to take it, you need not help. Okay, next what you can ask, what do you hear after this when I say frog, frog, okay, we have already taken. So now you have to emphasize on r, frog, frog. Okay, so now the child may recognize and say the next sound. You can ask either ways. What do you hear after if, or you can say what is the next sound you hear. So the child will take r. So every time you have to emphasize on that sound which the child is supposed to reproduce. Okay. Now, frog. When I say frog, what is the next sound you hear? So the child will listen to the sound aw. Frog. Okay, you emphasize on that aw so that the child understands. Okay, the child that he or she should take the next sound. So frog. So what is the next sound you hear? So the child may say g. Now with g you should not stop. You can again ask, what do you hear after g on frog? Now give some time. Okay, if needed, you repeat it. Frog. Then we expect the child to say, I did not hear anything after g. So that is how they should understand that g is the last sound and we should stop there. Okay, so don't stop with g. You again ask, what is the next sound you hear after g, or you say, what do you hear after g? So frog. So now the child is supposed to say, I am not hearing any other sound after g. Okay, so the words based on the tracker, you form the words in even before you start the session. Okay, so that you will be ready on what type of words you should give. So you should always give thematic words or very familiar words to the child so that it will be easy. And also don't ask the child to dismantle it. Just keep it here. Okay, till the whole exercise is done. Don't dismantle it. Keep it here so that the child will get to see. Okay, because this will get registered in their visual memory. So the child will get to see the complete view of the word. So here what is happening? The child is listening to the sounds of the word, okay, in succession, and also they are reproducing that symbol. Okay, two things: listening to the sounds of the word in succession, and next is reproducing that letter. Okay, so they need not know to write. Just by listening to the sound, they can reproduce the symbol. So that is the purpose or the advantage of having concrete materials. Now I will give one more example. Child, shall we listen to one more word? Okay. What is the first sound you hear when I say man? Man. Okay, so the child may say as the first sound. Okay, what is the next sound you hear after an? So you emphasize on that sound so that, because this is a very beginning stage, so the child needs more help, so emphasize on that particular sound. So what do you hear after a? Man. In the word man, what is the next sound you hear? So now again ask, what do you hear after in the word man? So when you emphasize or repeat again and again, the child may say that the child is did not hear any sound after in. Okay, so like this you can give 5 to 6 words, okay, in one presentation, in one like in 10-15 minutes you can give very simple words also to start with. If you see, Montessori did not say like give 3-letter words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words, like that. Nothing. Even if it is 5-letter words, you can do with this. Okay, suppose it is stamp. Okay, stamp has st as orthographic complication. Leave it. Something like flag. Okay, flag. So just repeat the whole whatever I told you, and make sure that you are here. Make sure you are asking the child if the child is able to hear any sound after the last sound. Okay, so there is no restriction like make it 3 letter, 4 letter, 5 letter words. If the child is very strong in the sounds whatever has been introduced, then the child can take it up. Okay, so the whole purpose here is we are making the child to listen to all the sounds of a word in succession and reproducing that symbol. So basically language is composed of sounds. When I say language, words is composed of sounds. So we are making the child more conscious that the language or words is composed of sounds, just that they have to listen to it and then reproduce the symbol. So this is the purpose of this movable alphabet. You need not wait till not necessary to wait till you give all the vowels and consonants. If you give 4 vowels, 6 to 8 consonants, start giving this activity. The age group doesn't matter. If the child is very interested, if the child is very good in all the phonetic sounds, you can start giving this. Even you can give this to 3 years old, because it's a concrete material. The more early you start, around 2.5 or 2 years 8 months, you can start giving phonetics, and then once the child picked up 4 vowels, 6 to 8 consonants, you can start giving this activity with movable alphabet. If you want this box, please leave your message in the comment section. We will get in touch with you and we will make it for you, but we need some time to make it and give it to you. So if you like this, please subscribe and please share with your friends. Okay, thank you so much.